Hi, I'm Mrs. Mizwicki, the math coach at Lowell, and today we're going to do a which one doesn't belong. I have in the background, you'll hear two voices. It's Allie and Jamie. Those are my daughters, and they have never done a which one doesn't belong, so it'll be interesting. They are true students who have never done this, so we'll see what they come up with. All right, girls, are you ready? Okay, so you can go ahead and turn it. All right, so you might want to, right now I want everybody to look at picture 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I want you to take a few minutes and think about which picture you think doesn't belong with the rest. And you can go ahead and pause your video right now to give yourself some time to think about it. And then when you're ready, you can unpause. All right. Girls are thinking. Do either of you have one that you think doesn't belong with the others? I'm going to give you guys both. Allie, I'm going to give you a minute. I don't want Jamie to share until you have one. So just give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Okay, so both girls have an idea. Jamie, why don't you just share which one you think doesn't belong, but don't give me a reason why yet, because I want to.
I have two.
Okay,
guesses.
one first.
Number 1.
Okay, so Jamie thinks number 1. Allie?
I think number 2.
Allie thinks number 2. So we'll start with those. So Jamie, can you explain to us why you think number 1 doesn't belong?
Well, I counted on 2, 3, and 4 that they have 4 different colors, like divided into 4 colors.
Okay.
And number 1 has 5.
Okay. All right. So number 2, 3, and 4 are divided into 4 different colors, and number 1 has 5 different colors. Okay. Allie, what are you thinking?
For number 2, all of them except number 2 are uneven, but number 2 they're all equal.
Okay.
Like half, so 25% for each.
Okay. Can you talk about those in fractions for us?
Oh yeah, they are all. These are 1/4 for number 2.
Okay. So she's saying in number 2, all the fraction pieces are equal 1/4. So all of them are the same. And you're saying the other ones are unequal pieces. So you might say they all might have 4 different pieces. So like number 4 and number 3 also have 4 pieces, but they're not divided equally. So we would not say that those are equal fractions, or that picture is not divided equally. Okay. Jamie, you actually said that you thought you had another one that didn't belong. Which one were you thinking?
That was 2.
Number 2, and you were thinking the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay. So girls, there's something that I will tell you is that when we're doing which one doesn't belong, there is no right answer. You can come up with a reason for every single picture. So if we look at the rest, can either of you think of a reason why number 3 or number 4 doesn't belong? Jamie?
Well, I have like the same reason for both.
Okay.
Number 4 is like the red is bigger than all the other ones.
Okay. What can we say about the red though? The red in number 4 is what?
1/2.
1/2. So if you look at that whole big shape, the whole big circle, red is taking up 1/2 of the whole pie or the whole circle, and the other 3 pieces are a portion. What portion would the green be in number 4?
1/4.
1/4, because it's a half of the half. Or if we looked at number 4 and number 2, number 4, the green in number 2 are the same. And we knew from what Allie said that in number 2, each piece was 1/4. So we can see that that's about the same. All right. Can anybody think about why number 3 doesn't belong? Oh, I see 2 waving hands fighting with each other, who I'm going to call. And so since Jamie already got to give 2, I'll let Allie.
So for number 3, 1, 2, and 4, all the green square is all 1/4. But number 3, it's less than 1/4.
Oh, very good. So if I can see what you're saying here. So these 3 all look the same. If we drew the line here, you could see that this piece is just a little bit smaller than the 1/4. All right, so that is our which one doesn't belong for today. And if any of you have thought of a different reasons why one of these don't belong, go ahead and email your teacher or email your math coach, and they would love to hear what your ideas were.